Welcome to Poseidon Tech. In today's video, Unify Flex HD access point, so stay tuned. Unify Flex HD comes on this common for Unify white box that looks very similar to an Apple product. So let's open it. Inside the box, we can see the PoE injector, which is 802.3AF, the power cord, that slides into the PoE injector, and of course the access point. The size looks similar to a Red Bull can. We will do a size comparison in a while. A quick starter guide with some connection instructions and a QR code for the app download, and also some instructions for wall or pole mounting. This is the pole mounting part and the bottom cap for mounting in the pole. Also some zip ties and the screws. Nothing else. Regarding the size of the Flex HD access point, as we mentioned, is similar to a Red Bull can, so here is the side-by-side comparison. In the bottom of the access point is the cover that we will remove. It reveals the reset button and of course the UTP connector. In case we need to mount it in a pole, we need to use the other bottom cover and the pole mounting bracket. It slides like this. We will test this as well later. For now, let's use the cover for the stand mode. In order to connect the Flex HD to the network and of course power it up, we need either the included PoE injector or we can use a PoE switch. In our case, we'll use the Flex switch. We need to connect the UTP cable to the access point, put the cover back, and then connect the UTP cable to a PoE switch. The access point is booting up, so let's see how it appears in the Unify controller. In the Unify controller we can find the Flex HD access point under the devices. We need to select it and press Adopt. In our case, we are using Unified Dream Machine as an all-in-one device for routing and cloud key controller. If you need more information on Dream Machine, check out our detailed review in the link shown in your screen. After some seconds, the device is adopted and connected. Of course, you can configure this device as a standalone device using only your mobile phone. For more details on that, you can check our relevant video. We can see that FlexHD has all the common settings we can find in all UniFi access points. Radio settings, the wireless LAN we have configured, of course no clients yet. Similar settings like in all UniFi access points. Now, as you can see, we have two access points that are available in the network. One from the Dream Machine and the other one is the FlexHD. An update is available for this device, so let's install it. A couple of minutes later, the update is completed. Have in mind that FlexHD supports 2.4 and 5 GHz with 2x2 and 4x4 MIMO per frequency band accordingly, can be powered by PoE and can be used indoors or outdoors as well. The maximum power consumption is 10.5 Watt. FlexHD can be mounted in the desktop, in the wall, in a pole or even in the ceiling, and it's an ideal access point for mesh point solution. Now let's see how we can wall mount the device. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please press like and consider subscribing to our channel. See you in the next video.